Hello, this is the instructional video for Caprice dual roller blinds. In order to install this product, you will need a screwdriver, a level, a pencil, a tape measure and a drill. This product can be installed in 4 different manners, depending on your room or window style. Its versatile design allows you to install the chain to either side, as well as allowing forward and back rolling. Use a measuring tape to locate the bracket positions. Mark the drilling holes. And ensure the brackets are level. Drill the holes accordingly. Screw the bracket in with a Phillips head screwdriver. If needed, adjust bracket projection by loosening plate screws. Retighten the screws. Fit the components into each end of the tube. Insert shear blind into the brackets. Then the block out blind. Finally, secure the child safety device on both chains. Your dual roller blind is now ready. Thank you for choosing Caprice. Proudly Australian, known since 1959.